how to play Sandbox Metaverse. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can actually play Sandbox in Metaverse. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into the video. So hi guys, this is the platform, the Sandbox that game interface, their very own website. So you can check this one, the Sandbox Alpha Season 2. So play the Alpha Season 2 and try to win an Alpha Pass. So Alpha Season 2 starts on March 3rd. There is a bunch of information here. There's a bunch of stuff here, guys, that you can read. And these are their socials. You can join our Discords, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, stuff like that. Now, yeah, you can always join our community, and you can hover down here on Alpha. So you can select your avatar here, and so you can see here on the upper part, landowners migrate your lands now to the new contract. So this is pretty basically their website, and you can see rewards here as well. So you can buy the Alpha Season 2 pass if you want. This is a good thing about Sandbox, guys. You can earn raffle tickets by completing quests. So you can see here level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and 5. So basically, there is an option here. You can see how you can get the season 2 Alpha Pass, raffle, contest, or buy. So there's an option here to buy as well. There's an option to contest, and there's an option to like quest it. All right. So for season 2 Alpha Pass, it's around 0.55 width, and that's around $1,498. Okay, so yeah, there is bunches of options here as well. You can see the marketplace here, and let's see the marketplace. So Ancient Stone sold for $61. So Snoop Dogg. There's a lot of stuff in here, guys. You can always play around in this website. I'm not really, to be honest, I haven't explore everything here, but everything, if you wanted to know everything about the website, it's basically here. You can just click this about here, and it will help you what information you wanted to know. Everything is on their website, guys. You just have to hover around, and here what I'm going to do here is I'm going to teach you on how you can actually go into the game and play the game, the Sandbox Metaverse game. So you just have to click this download and select a directory where you want it to download. That's after you connect your MetaMask wallet here. So first things first, guys, don't forget you have to connect your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so once you connected that, that's pretty simple, pretty basic steps. You just there will be an option. Let me just show you here. Maybe I can let me show you. So yeah, there is an option if you are not signed in. There is an option here for you to sign in and collect your MetaMask. There's Wombat, and I already have an account. There's an option as well. So select MetaMask, and if you don't have MetaMask, you can always download that and connect your wallet. Once you're connected, and once your MetaMask is connected, you'll be able to see this one, and you'll be able to have the option to download the game maker. Okay. I have to put it on to my desktop. Extract and click this installation. And you can select any library that you wanted to install the game. So I would install this. So I already downloaded the Sandbox or the game maker. It's called the game maker. So I'll try to open it. So as you can see, there you go. Opening, and I'll just have to wait for it to load up. Okay, so we can press it. Wow, as you can see, I kind of like the graphic. In my own opinion, it's cool, and as you can see, it's kind of like Roblox. You guys familiar with Roblox and Minecraft? So yeah. So we'll just wait for the Sandbox to validate all the necessary files. As you can see, it's already downloaded. So what I'm going to do here is I'll just put in my password, my email and password, and next, hit this remember me, log in, release Windows, boom. Alright, there's the sound I just have to like, I think I have to mute that one. Alright, SFX. Again, I think I have to like put it on a window mode just for you guys to see it. Or I can put it on cordless window. That. And here you can create your own game. But you know, for the sake of this tutorial today, drafts gallery. So, oh, there's like there's the game that you can test as well here on the option, which is called drafts gallery. So you can see ratings as well, and you see the updated the updated date. 3.5, 4 stars, 4.2, 5 stars. So I kind of want to play this Ruby Land. Let's try to play it. There you go, 90%. Come on. Yes. So, what are we going to do here? Yeah, graphic wise, I kind of like it. I like it. And yeah, by the way, guys, before I forgot, for those who don't know what a sandbox is basically a new game in the MetaMask in which you can create lands and create NFTs and buy lands and many more. And it's a very awesome and it's a cool game, I would say. And for today, nowadays it's really or very difficult to find a real NFT game because a lot of the NFT games are just play for watch and they don't actually work. They're just for show, just for publicity and stuff like that. And so it's kind of a real big deal and a quite rarity when a NFT game is actually a game that you can play and get some sort of profit or some kind of recognition. And the Sandbox is just like that. So I'm done loading it up. So let's see here. Let's check for another game. 0-star rating. I don't want to do a very good rating here. Avocado Ruby Land keyword test. Morders. Battle. Oh, I want battle. I want battle so bad. So let me try that. Let's wait for it to load up. So let me hit options, settings. Where is the sound? SFX. Alright, let me lower that down. Oh, what is this? Yeah, let me attack you. Hey, come here. Come here, you. What is this? Like a statue or something? Someone's attacking me? What? Oh, what is this? A raccoon? So yeah, so I want you guys to like play around on this platform, this Sandbox metaverse game, and I want you guys to like explore on your own, and you can do a lot of stuff here, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy it, and while earning, And I think that's it for today's video, guys, and I hope you learned something from this video. And if you did learn something, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button, and it would actually going to be a very huge help for me because I'm trying to expand the NFT community in the YouTube space. So that would be very much appreciated, guys, and thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate that, and I hope you guys have a great one. Thanks so much. Bye bye.